Hi there, I'm John Shields from Chesapeake Bites, and today we are going to make an amazing espresso martini, the locavore way. So get ready. All right, we're ready to do some mixology. And now I'm not the best expert on that, so I hauled in the expert, Miss Erika from Lyon Rum, who's also, she has so many things in her resume. You know, we got, what do we have? We have pastry chef, we have deliverer of rum runner everywhere, and then we have pastry distiller, and now mixologist. All right, let's go. People love espresso martinis.
Yes.
They go mental for it, and I don't understand it exactly, but every time, like I'm in a restaurant, do you have an espresso martini? And so if you don't, or if you're at a bar and they say they don't have one, you just say, give me a few things and I'll make it. And Erika's going to show us how to do it.
That's right.
Madame?
They're not all created equal, and I do it my own way, the Lyon way.
All right.
Yes, so we start with our coffee rum. We use Rise Up coffee and chocolate shells.
Oh.
So that's really wonderful. But then I also add in a little bit of our orange spiced Curaçao.
Cool.
And it's like, what? But chocolate and orange just go so well together. So it makes it a very bright, fresh, chocolatey, desserty drink, but not so heavy that you can't have more than one, because you definitely want more than one.
Absolutely.
So we're gonna start.
Okay.
With coffee rum.
Yeah, and so you work with Rise Up Coffee?
Yes, local.
Local.
Yep.
Great organization. They do wonderful product.
So an ounce and a half.
Ounce and a half. Can I smell that?
Oh, yes.
Oh my God.
And then the lovely spiced curd.
Ooh.
Oh, about a half an ounce of that in there.
Okay.
And you can add some simple syrup if you wanted it sweet. I love the sweetness that's already coming from the coffee and the chocolate. I don't think it's necessary to add, but if that's your preference, you can absolutely do that. Then some freshly brewed espresso, or if you don't have an espresso machine, no worries. Just a very strongly brewed coffee is fine.
All right.
So 2 ounces of that. And then some ice. Not a lot.
Not a lot. Just enough.
And then we get to have some fun. Ready?
Love this part.
And it's key to shake because you want it frothy, like a latte or espresso shot after it's been poured. Goes straight in. I love how frothy it looks. And it looks like there's cream in there, and it's not.
It does.
Yes.
Oh my God. Best martini glass
Thank you.
ever.
So much fun. My sister got me a whole set when I got into the mixology side of Lyon Rum. We are working on a cocktail bar at our distillery, so I said I need some fun glasses to make these fun drinks in, and she got me a whole set of them. So
well, this is amazing.
happy to share them with you guys.
And it just shows you once again, we can do so many things from a local perspective. You know, we're working with a local coffee maker, local distillery, and bringing everything together to make cocktails the local way. So all you have to do is meet these people, and getting out there, whether you're going to go to a farmer's market. You do a lot of farmer's markets, correct?
Yes, I do.
So you can meet the people there. You can go online. You have a website.
Yeah, so being that rum runner, I'm at local liquor stores. So on our website, you can see what liquor store carries us near you. Can't guarantee they carry everything, but if you want them to, you just got to ask. But also down at our distillery, we have a tasting room right now that you can come in anytime, every day, 11 to 4 every day.
And that's in St. Michael's.
Yes, it is. Beautiful
Take
town.
a trip, you know.
Easy day trip.
It's just a great day trip. Nice to see the other side of the bay if you're over here in the Baltimore area. So once again, get in the car, go over to visit with you and to learn wonderful things. Or if you can't do that, get ye to the farmer's market.